my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
Okay, we got the Spigen accessories like tempered glass and liquid air case. Okay, now let's check how much quantity it is giving. Two tempered glass with installation mount. Okay, I will show you how to apply it. It gives a extra kits for installation, the tempered glass. Okay, let's first disadjust the straps quickly. We have it disattached. Now let's open the kit. What we get: two alcohol strips. Here is a QR code for installation. Here is a dust removal stickers, one microfiber cloth, and two alcohol rub wipes, and one bubble remover. Okay. Now let's apply. First, we have cleaned the glass with microfiber cloth and the alcohol wet wipe. Now let's clean it. We have cleaned now. Now we dry it. It's shining now. Now let's place the tempered glass. Slightly place it. It will apply on the glass. Now pull the sticker. Okay, now your tempered glass is all set. Now if there is a bubble there, you can remove from the bubble remover. Okay, like this. Let's clean it. Now all set. Final touch. Now it's all set. Now let's apply the liquid air case. Here is our liquid air case. Let's apply. Please make sure that you will install it correctly because it has a back and front end. Okay, sorry. Let's quickly apply it. You have applied now. Looking great. Now let's reattach the straps. Okay, thanks for watching. To subscribe my channel, I like my video. The link is in description. Okay, let's quickly attach it. So thanks for watching again.